Welcome viewers, I am Tutoke Tusokole. In today's class, we want to solve a trigonometric equation. It is a simple one. We are given if sine x is equal to 4 raised to the power negative sine x, then what is the value of x? Let us watch to the end. Subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. We dive in. Solution to this question. We are given to solve that sine x is equal to 4 raised to the power of negative sine x. If you look at this question, you see that we have sine x to both sides of the equation. Let's look for a way to make the sine x to be only at one side, either right or left. Good. Looking at that, we are going to write it this way. Sine x is the same thing as raised to power 1 equal to 4 to the power of minus sine x. What I will do now, I want to divide both sides of the exponent by negative sine x. That means I am going to write sine x raised to power 1 all over sine x negative equal to 4 raised to power minus sine x all over minus sine x. So I am dividing both sides of the equation by negative sine x. Alright? The exponent, the power of both sides is being divided by negative sine x. Beautiful. And when that happens, I'll have here sine x raised to power minus 1 all over sine x equal to, of course, you can see negative sine x will divide negative sine x by the right hand side, leaving me with just 4. Okay, as it is now, the next thing I want to do is to get rid of this negative sign at the exponent by the left hand side. And to do that, I will take the inverse of the base. That is now going to give me 1 all over sine x. And that will affect the numerator, the exponent, to become positive sine x equal to 4. What have I done? I have cleared the negative sign to become positive by taking the reciprocal of the base, which is inside the bracket, and it becomes 1 all over sine x, thereby getting rid of the negative sign at the exponent part. So this is what I have. You can also agree with me that 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2. And by the left hand side, I still have 1 all over sine x, everything to the power of 1 all over sine x equal to 2 to the power of 2. Now, by law of indices, if I have a to the power of a equal to b to the power of b, okay, it means that the bases are equal. That is, I have by the left the base as the same to the power, and by the right hand side the base is also the same as the power. Therefore, we conclude that the bases are equal. The same thing can happen here. The base by the left is 1 all over sine x, and the power by the left is 1 all over sine x. And when we go to the right hand side, the base is 2, the power is 2. So we can now conclude that the base by the left is equal to the base by the right, which means that 1 all over sine x is equal to positive 2. I can now take the cross multiplication. 1 times 1 will give me 1, and then 2 times sine x will give me 2 sine x. Okay, dividing both sides by 2, I will now have it written as sine x is equal to 1 all over 2. And to get the value of x, I will find the sine inverse of 1 all over 2. Very good. Therefore, sine inverse of 1 over 2 is going to give me 30, because if I have a triangle like this, which is a right angle triangle or a spatial triangle, okay, this place is root 3, here is angle 30, here is 2, this place is 1, this place is now 60. Therefore, The only time I can get half is when I take sine 30, which is opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite is 1, the hypotenuse is 2. So sine 30 will give me 1 all over 2. Therefore, the sine inverse of 1 over 2 will give me angle 30. Beautiful. So we have the first value of x as equal to 30. But then, if you come to this and look at this with me, for this cast, you will agree with me that sine is positive in the first quadrant and also positive in the second quadrant, meaning that now that we have gotten the first value of sine inverse of 1 over 2 as 30, we will also get another value that is greater than 90, because at first quadrant we have the values from 0 to 90, and in the second quadrant sine is positive, which is from 90 to 180, meaning that the second answer from the second quadrant is going to be 180 minus the angle gotten from the first quadrant, which is now going to be for me 180 minus 30 equal to 150 degrees. This is the second value of x. Therefore, in conclusion to this video, the values of x are 30 degrees and the 150 degrees for the values of x ranging from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. A way to check the result, we are done, but we want to quickly look at the result. Check result. Now, I am given that sine x is equal to 4 to the power of minus sine x. So when my x is 30, I'll have sine 30 is equal to 4 raised to power minus sine 30. And sine 30, from here, sine 30 is opposite of hypotenuse, which is half. Is it equal to 4 to the power of minus sine 30, which is also half? Yeah, let's work it. This is now going to be 1 over 2 equal to 1 all over 4 to the power of 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2 equal to 1 all over the square root of 4. Since 4 to the power of half is square root of 4. And you can agree with me that 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, authenticating that the value of x is 30, angle 30 degrees. Okay, let's check the second value, which is 150. If we press also to look for 150, you also agree with me that we are going to get exactly the same thing. I leave it for you to try. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. God bless you for watching.